In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear springs on your Pontiac GTO. Using a flat blade screwdriver, remove the hubcap. Using a 19mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Do the same thing on the other side. Put a jack under your rear differential. Using an 18mm socket, remove the nut off of the rear shock. Do the same thing on the other side. Go up on your jack. And remove the shocks off of their mounts. Use a pry bar if needed. Using a 19mm socket and wrench, we're going to take the nut off of the bolt that is holding the spring to the lower axle. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bolt and the locking plate that's on it. Do the same thing on the other side. Lower the rear differential. Lower the differential far enough that you can pull the old springs out. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the spring. Remove the rubber isolators off of the old springs. Install the spring isolator onto the new spring. Do the same thing on the other one. Make sure your spring is indexed properly. The top end of it will sit into this groove right here. These new springs came with bottom isolators. So right before you slide this in, put this isolator in, and then push it by the isolator and the spring right on the inside right here. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the coil plates. Install the nut. Do the same thing on the other side. Snug these bolts down. Go up on your jack. As you're going up, you want to look at your springs and make sure they stay indexed correctly and they're fitting into the right spots. Install your shock onto the post. Install a washer, spacer, and then a nut. Do the same thing on the other side. Torque these nuts 55 to 75 foot-pounds. Remove your jack. Put the wheel back on and install the lug nuts. If you have these cone style nuts, the cone goes towards the wheel. And then snug them down. Do the same thing on the other side. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 100 foot-pounds. Install the hubcap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.